so evil and manipulative. I know who Dash is. Bitch, you thought I wouldn't find out. I have your full name and address, stupid bitch. I you say engage. I you say fiance. But yet still whoring and fucking down the place. Such man soon leave you. You just love yourself and that's it. I find out a lot. Bitch, your friend tell me everything. LOL. Such man will so see you for who you really are soon. Such man will see you for who you really are. Bitch, you're so sick and bipolar. No man will stay with you. I don't know what such man see in you at all. I can bet you don't even treat him properly. You're not used to nothing. You don't deserve a man like such man. Yes, he wrote that. Yes. 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 Guys, and I am going to point out certain things, right? You realize what the person said. You say you engage, but yet still you're whoring down the place and fucking down the place. Why would a woman that bad mind me come and say me engage and say me a put down and that word down the place? And only the man who me they would have feel bad about that, you know. And let's be real. Let us be real. Wanna listen to what the person say, but yet still whoring and fucking down the place. All of this because I did not go ahead and tell you that you can come at my house, come say. Another thing I want to show you guys is the text. I don't know if I'm the only person. If I'm the only person that is like this, but I study people pattern of texting. So I don't know if I'm the only person that study people pattern of texting, right? But I study people pattern of texting. How is it that, and God forbid, how is it that this so-called fake number that texts me and send me all of this stuff, the way how such people spell find is the same way the fake number spell find? How is that a coincidence? I want to know if I'm crazy, TikTok. I want to ask you know if I'm crazy.